We are looking at the Gooddings verbena, Glandularia gooddingii, and it's looking a little unhappy right now because it hasn't had any water at all. Oh, in about 6 weeks. But notice this, as unhappy as it is, it's still just blooming just a little bit. So this kind of small little specimen volunteered on its own in my garden, and I've got a couple of actually better looking ones, and I'm gonna go look at them. But what I want to say here is, if you want to, once this blooming head is done, it might leave something like this behind, and you can prune those off by actually just breaking them off. Look at how hard it is to prune this plant, right? And this is out in the wild part of the yard, and the bunnies and the javelina and the deer that came through last night, none of them are bothering it. So if you have bunnies and javelinas and deer, and you live in a anywhere from the low desert right up to the upper high desert up to USDA Zone 7, you can grow this Gooddings verbena, and the plant data sheet is up here as well. So let me go get you a better looking specimen. Here's another look at Gooddings verbena, and this one came up in a pot where it gets watered on a regular basis, and it's actually a little bit shaded. So yeah, I guess it doesn't get the full hot summer sun, so the leaves are larger and it's a happier plant. The reason why I didn't do the whole video in here is that my ponds are running and it's a little noisy. But the Gooddings verbena is a wonderful verbena to have in your garden.